Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. This video is about Filmora editing software and I will tell you guys how to run Filmora on a low-end PC. So let's start the video. First you have to open Filmora in your PC, it will take a while to open. Here is the interface of Filmora editing software. Now the first step is to change the quality from default to 1:4. This will distribute the load on both hardware and software. The second step is to go to Files on the left upper corner, open Project Settings, and set frames to default. But when you extract video, the video comes in 45 to 50 frames per second, so don't worry about video quality. The last step is to go to Files again, select Preferences, then open Performance. On this background rendering, now when you are editing a video it will automatically render in the background, so at the end it will be easy to extract. Also turn on the upper two options for smoother experience while editing. These options will enable hardware to carry some load. I hope you like my video. Subscribe and like for more videos like that.